Odisha Chief Minister Mohan Charan Majhi has issued a 15-point directive to newly appointed Chief Secretary Anu Garg to improve governance efficiency. The CM asked officials to prioritize goals under the Odisha Vision document, targeting a $500 billion economy by 2036 and a top 5 developed state status. Flight operations at Bhubaneswar's Biju Patnaik International Airport were disrupted on the first day of year 2026 due to dense fog. 5 flights were diverted after runway visibility dropped to 50 meters. 3 flights were rerouted to Raipur and 2 to Kolkata, while multiple departures faced delays. A 60-year-old man, Umashankar Sabat of Malkangiri district, went missing after reportedly falling from a floating bridge at Chilika Lake near Satapada. Officials recovered a bag, cap and slippers from the water. Sabat had travelled from Berhampur for sightseeing. Search operations are underway. President Draupadi Murmu virtually inaugurated an IGNOU Regional Centre and Skills Centre at Rairangpur in Odisha's Mayurbhanj district, highlighting artificial intelligence as a key opportunity for India's youth and workforce. At least 40 people were killed and over 100 injured after a blast triggered a massive fire at a luxury bar in Crans-Montana, Switzerland, during New Year's Eve celebrations. Swiss police said more than 150 people were present. Authorities are treating the incident as a fire, not terrorist-related. Marriage to a US citizen no longer guarantees a green card, an American immigration attorney has said. While US law allows spouses of US citizens to apply as immediate relatives, immigration lawyer Brad Bernstein cautioned that applications are closely scrutinized and approval is not automatic despite marital status. A 50-year-old Hindu man, Khokan Das, was attacked and set on fire by a mob in Bangladesh, Shariatpur district on December 31. He sustained serious injuries. This is the 4th reported attack on Hindus in 2 weeks, following incidents in Kalimohar, Memen Singh and Hoshan Danga. Indian origin Democrat Zohran Mamdani took oath as New York City's mayor at a historic ceremony held at a decommissioned Manhattan subway station. The 34-year-old became the first Muslim mayor of the city, with the oath administered by Attorney General Letitia James. The central government has notified February 1 as the date for imposing additional excise duty on tobacco products and a new cess on pan masala. The levies will replace the compensation cess and apply over GST, with tobacco products attracting 40% GST and bidis 18%. Ranveer Singh's Tara Dhurandhar will be screened with minor edits from January 1, 2026, following directives from the Information and Broadcasting Ministry. Despite grossing 1,128 crore globally in 27 days, certain words were muted and the dialogue revised. Distributors informed theatres on December 31st.